Hello, viewers. I bring you weekly analysis for volatility 25. So we want to look at what might probably happen to VIX 25 within the upcoming week. So the first thing we have to check is we go to a higher time frame such as D1 to see what the market has been doing. We just want to have an idea of what the market has been doing. And we start by checking if the market is in a downtrend or on an uptrend. So let me find out the trend of the market. I can use so many things to see that, but the most accurate is to use structure. So this is how I'm going to do. I'm going to follow the market. Now some persons might be wondering, how are you marking this market like this? I'm just following the movement of the market, and that's all. In doing this, you don't have to be perfect because there's nothing perfect about the market. I can also do this in another way. Let me start from the most recent. So there's no specific way of doing this. All this will enable me know what the market is trying to do. So what can we see here? A lower high. This is a lower high. And again, this is a lower low. And this is another lower low. When a market is moving in a downtrend, the market will create series of lower highs and lower lows. This low is lower than this. Now let's see what happened again. In determining the trend of a market, let's say a downtrend for example, the last lower high has much to say or is very, very important. This is why I say that while we are in a downtrend, the market keeps breaking structure. That is BOS. Now, at the end of a downtrend, the market will no longer break structure. And at the end of a downtrend, it means an uptrend is about to start. So at that point, what we have is a change of character. So with this, we now know that the downtrend has ended and the uptrend is about to start or is starting. Now, during an uptrend, what does the market create? The market creates a series of higher highs and higher lows. So here is a higher high. Here is a higher high. And here is a higher low. So this alone tells us that we are no longer in a downtrend, but we are now in an uptrend. So let's get rid of all this. So since we know we have established the fact that we are in an uptrend, let's see what the market can tell us. So I simply try to support the uptrend with a trend line to see how far the market has moved. we can see easily that the market has been on the trend line. Now the question is, at this region, is the market going to continue to the up direction, or is it going to break this trend line? That is the $1 million question to ask. But there's a way to find out what is going on here. So this is what I simply do. I want to check this thing with Fibonacci to see if we are on a Fibonacci retracement level. So in drawing this Fibonacci level, we have to take from the last contact to the present contact. And when we do that, we can see that price is on 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. But still, that is not a full confirmation. I want to spell out what we have seen from this market. Number one thing we have seen is that the market is on a trend line. That is the first thing we can see here. Then the second thing we can see here is that it's on a fib level of 0.50. That's the second confluence. Then let's go and check for another confluence. Let's look at price action. From the way these candlesticks are looking, we can see a doji-like candlestick or a hammer. If we want to combine these two together, we can see that these two candlesticks form tweezer bottom. So that is how many confirmation now. So the third one is price action. Market is showing bullish. So from daily time frame, I'll head over to H4 time frame. So we are on H4. Let's see what price has been doing using our trend line. Let me get rid of this. Then we can draw the second trend line on the 4-hour time frame. Now we can see things clearly. Before price we head down or head up, price needs to contend with this support and resistance. So for you to enter this trade on a conservative entry, you need to make sure this support and resistance is broken, because when they are broken, that is when you are sure direction that price will head towards. But meanwhile, let's still head down to 1 hour or 2 hours to see what price is doing. So I go down to 2 hours. We are on 2-hour time frame. That is H2. What can we see here? We can see, let's try and see if you can draw a trend line. This is the best we can do. So what we notice now is that, let me get rid of this. There is a double bottom here, and double bottoms are strong reversal pattern. When you see a double top, it's a strong bearish reversal. If you see a double bottom, it's a strong bullish reversal. So again, at this level, we can decide to look at what structure is doing. Let's start from here. Again, like what happened on the higher time frame, we have a change of character here, meaning that the last lower high has just been breached by this up move. So what we expected is a retracement to whatever level before the up move, and our first take profit is going to be this resistance we are seeing here. So anyone who wants to take part in this trade can come here and wait for price to do whatever it wants to do, and after that your first take profit level will be this resistance. It means we're going to wait for price to come down to this level and give us a bullish reversal pattern, and then we can take our buy trade. So this is top-down analysis for you. That is the best way to analyze the market, be it synthetic, crypto, forex, and stock. When you do top-down analysis, you should be able to know where price is coming from, where it's going, and you're going to trade with much more accuracy. Now, if you like the way I analyze the market and you want to learn how to do top-down analysis, then don't fail to join me in my upcoming class. This class is for the July set. We are going to go in depth teaching what it takes to be a forex trader. There, I'm going to be showing you how to analyze the market using top-down analysis. After the July class, we're going to have August as well. So make sure you are part of this life-changing opportunity to learn how to trade forex, even if you are a complete beginner. So with that, I will see you on my next weekend analysis video.